Good morning, Tawan. Good morning, Kanampim. Good morning, Smile.
Good morning, teacher.
Morning, everybody. Smile is drinking milk. Is that milk? Oh, I heard it. I heard it right. You're Tawan. Good morning, Tafan. Who's the other person here? The other kid? Is it Rasa? The purple one? The purple circle? Rasa? Inchi? Oh. Good morning, everybody.
Good morning, teacher.
How are you today? Are you doing good? Good morning, Paje. Good morning, Peach. Good morning, Pum. Good morning, Gun.
Good morning.
Good morning, Baybun. Hello. How are you guys doing? Okay. So let's begin with the question, what day is it today? What day is it today? What day is it today? Good morning, teacher.
Morning. Good day.
Today is very good. Today is Thursday. And what is the date today? What is the date today? Today is the 18th of November 2021. Today is the 18th of November 2021. Okay, so we're going to give more time for your classmates to come in before we start. We're going to start in 7 minutes.
Load ใช่งั้นน่ะ
Okay, it's almost time, so we're going to start in a minute. I'm going to start sharing my screen. Okay, can you see my screen, kids?
Yes, I can see your screen.
Okay. Good morning for those who just entered the room.
Good morning, teacher.
Okay. Good morning. Today we're going to learn science, and the topic that we will study will be about fuel up exercise first. We're going to do fuel up exercise, and also after that, we're going to do the recycling. Fuel up exercise and then recycling. Okay? So we're going to start, I think, first with recycling, so that we're going to move on later with the written activities, because fuel up exercise is more on written activities. So I want you to open your book to 108. 108. Okay, so what can you see in the screen? What can you see in the screen? Metal. Very good. Okay, so here are the properties of metal. Properties are the characteristics, okay? Properties means characteristics, okay, of metals. They are hard, strong, and it can change its form. Okay.
Teacher,
Yes?
which page?
Page 108. 108.
Teacher, 108.
Yep. Okay. Sometimes we can bend metals using our hands. Okay. Especially the workers, the construction workers, they can bend the metal using their equipments. But also sometimes the metal should be heated first before it can be molded. So we use fire sometimes, and sometimes we use only some equipment in bending or in changing the form of metal. Okay? So remember, metals are hard, strong, and can change its form. How do we change its form? Sometimes we can just bend it. Sometimes we need to use hot temperature or fire. Okay, so where do we use the metal? It is used for making buildings and tools. Okay, it can be used for making building materials. For example, in this picture, okay, the foundation. What is it?
The metal pole.
Sorry, what is it? Okay, it's okay. Okay, so for example, in this picture, this is an example of building, okay, or construction. This big one, okay, maybe it has cement inside, but the outer part is made of metal, okay, made of metal. Okay, and also the braces here, the lines, can you see the lines? It's also made of metal. So metal is used for construction or making buildings, materials, and tools. Okay, can you give me some tools or some things that are made of metal? Smile, can you give me something that is made of metal? Anything.
A refrigerator.
Refrigerator, very good. What else? Okay, only three. So refrigerator, what else?
A
Okay, I'm
car.
gonna give one.
A car.
What?
A car.
A car, yes it is. What else? The phone. It has metals in it. Okay, the phone has metal in it. The fan. The fan has metal. What else? Okay, the gate. The gate, right? Our gate. Some of our gates are made of metal. So that is, okay, what's this, everybody? What is this thing? What's this object?
Metal.
Metal. Okay, remember kids, this is metal. Next, number two, what's that?
Clay.
Clay, very good. Okay. If metal is hard and it is strong, clay is very sticky. It's very sticky when you are making it. Like for example, in this part, okay, the woman is still making the clay. It's still molding. She's still molding the clay. But after that, what will happen to the finished product? Is it going to be soft or is it going to be hard?
Hard.
Yes, it's going to be hard when it is dry. Okay, so clay is sticky at first, but when it is dry, it will be hard. Okay, so where do we use the clay? It is used for making pottery. Pottery is the process of making jars, pots, and flower pots. Okay, jars, pots, and flower pots or vase. Okay, so those are made of clay. Okay, what's this, kids? What's this material?
Clay.
Okay, so what is this material? Clay. And the first one, let's review. Let's go back a little bit. What's this material?
Metal.
So now we have
Metal.
already known two materials, the metal and the clay. Next, what's this?
Plastic.
This part only. Okay, look at this part only. This is plastic. Okay, so what is the property of plastic? Plastic does not let heat pass through it. That is why we use plastic in making this part of the pan, because when we hold it, it doesn't let heat pass through it. So even though this part of the pan is hot, this part is not hot. So we can hold in this part. Okay, so that is why we use plastic in making this pan. Okay. Okay, uses, it's for making handles of kitchen tools and for covering electrical wires because it doesn't let heat pass through it. Let's go back to the properties. One of the properties of plastic, it can be made soft and also it can be made hard. Okay, this one is hard, but the plastic bag, for example, this one is soft, okay? And it is easily foldable. We can fold it easily. Okay, what's this material, kids? What's this material?
Plastic.
Plastic. What's this material?
Clay.
Clay. What's this material?
Metal.
Metal. Very good. Okay, so now, okay, we're going to skip first this part. We're moving on first with the recycling, so that later we will have the written activities only. Oh boy. Okay, this is the next screen. Recycling. Okay, recycling is the process of reusing things. Okay, we're going to use the things again. Okay, for example, we used the thing already. Um,
Plastic bag.
the bag. Okay, the bag. For example, we're going to use it already in maybe in the same manner or in the same way or in a different way. That is called recycling. Using used materials for a different thing that we can use again. Let's think of something that can be recycled. For example, a can. A can. Where do we use a can? A used can. We can use that in making. Okay, can you give us an example?
Plane, I think.
What?
I don't know.
Okay, a can, for example, can be used
Plane?
what?
Plane? A plane?
Plane?
Or it can turn me into a toy, I think.
A toy. Yeah. Okay, you can make it a toy. You can make it like a robot. Okay, and also you can use. You can put plants on it, right? Okay, so later in this topic, we're going to learn some more examples about recycling. Okay, for example, a plastic bag. A plastic bag should not be thrown away because it can be used for making woven bags or making a...
Teacher หน้าที่
Yes?
เท่าไหร่หน้าที่เท่าไหร่
Okay, it's in page 113. 113. Okay, this plastic bag can be used in some other ways. Okay, we can make it woven bags. Okay, plastic bag can be used in different ways. And also after using the plastic bag for the first time, when you go back to the groceries, you can also bring your own plastic bag. Okay, okay, so that we can lower the plastic that the people use. Okay, that is okay. What's this, everybody?
A plastic bag.
A plastic bag. Bag. Very good. Next one, what's this?
A box.
A box. Okay, a box or a paper box. The paper box should not be thrown away. Why? Because it can be used for example, here we can A, make a pillow, or B, make file organizers.
Or make a paper boat.
Paper boat?
Teacher write in
Using
the
the-
book yes or no
Not yet. Later. Okay?
write in the book yes
You-
or no
Not yet. No. Okay. So I'm going to give you time later tonight. Okay. So the paper box can be used for making a file
Sure.
organizer. Yes.
write in the book yes or no
No. Okay. We're going to have the time later for written activities. Okay. Okay. Next one. What's this? What is this thing?
A cola can.
A cola can or a soda can. Okay, a soda can should not be thrown away because it can be used for making, what do you think? A, for making a flower pot, or B, for making a towel?
A flower pot.
Flower pot. Okay, you can just remove the top part of the cola can and then you can put in soil. Okay, and then you can put your flower in it or your plant in it. Okay, that is a soda can. Let's go back. What's this, everybody?
A plastic bag.
A plastic,
plastic
bag. Okay, what can we do with it? A, making woven bag, or B, making a table?
Making a woman's bag.
A woven bag. Okay, what about this one? What's this?
A box.
A box. Okay, a paper box. What can we do with it? A, making a pillow, or B, making file organizer?
Making file organizer.
Okay, for making file organizer. Next, what's this? What's this again, everybody?
Can.
A can. What is it for? A, making a flower pot, or B, making a towel?
Making a flower pot.
Making a flower pot. Okay, next one, what's this?
A tire.
These are old tires. Very good. Okay, so an old tire should not be thrown away. Why? because it can be used for what? A. Making a flower pot, or B. Making a table.
Making a table.
Making a table. Okay. Maybe next week I'm going to show you some experiments about how to use recycled things, or how to make recycled things. Okay. Okay. So now let's go back first to our written activities. Okay. I want you to open your book to 109. 109. Okay, these are the fuel up exercises about our lesson materials. Okay, number 1. Andy wants to make a comfortable chair. Which material is good for making it sit? Okay, yes. Page 109. Okay, Andy wants to make a comfortable chair. So which material is good for making it sit? Only the sit part, only where you are sitting down. What material is good for it? Okay, so we have here, Andy should use what? A, foam, or B, plastic for making the seat.
Foam.
Foam, very good. Andy should use foam for making the seat because it's soft. Okay, so it's foam. Okay, when you're finished, please press the raise hand button. Okay? Okay, Kanamupim is finished. Karyakon, Nampeng are finished. Rasa is finished. Yes? Hmm?
Teacher นั่นไหนอะ
Teacher, finish.
Page 109. 100.
Finish. Teacher,
Okay, press the raise. Okay, good job. Boom and Gun are finished.
Finish. Finish.
Okay, you may just raise your hand, or press the raise hand button. Okay, so I think everybody's finished, right? Ajay finished?
Yeah, finish.
Okay, so let's go.
Right in the book.
Yes, page 109. Let's wait for stamp. Is that stamp?
Finish, teacher.
Okay, good job. So let's wait for stamp, okay?
And can.
Wow, Pupa is finished. Okay, stamp finished? Is stamp finished?
Teacher, Laksa is not finished.
I'm not finished.
Rasa is not finished? Okay, let's wait for Rasa. Rasa, finished?
ใบบุญเสร็จแล้วยัง
Okay, let's wait for them. I think Rasa is finished. Okay, let's go. Okay, number 2. Mary wants to make a pair of mittens. Which
No, I'm not
material?
finished. Number 1.
Okay, take your time.
Finish.
Okay, number 2. Mary wants to make a pair of mittens. Which material is good for her and why? Okay, so what should Mary use in making a pair of mittens? Mary should
Rock.
foam or cloth? Cloth, okay, cloth. For making the mittens, Mary should use cloth for making the mittens because it's soft and durable.
Finish.
Good job.
Finish, teacher.
Good job.
Finish, teacher.
Wow. I like your energy. Good job.
Finish, teacher. Finish. Finish, teacher. Teacher, I am finished.
Wow, complete sentence. Okay, let's wait for the others.
I'm finished.
Finish. Finish, teacher. Finish.
Finish. Finish, teacher.
Stop.
Good job.
Finish.
Quiet now. Let's wait for the others.
Finish, teacher.
Good job.
Good job.
Teacher, Gun is not finished. Gun is not finished.
I think Gun is finished. Gun finished, right?
การจะปิดผมยกมือทำไมเนี่ย
Okay, gun is finished. Okay, let's go to the next part. Baybun finish? Okay, good job. Next part, number 3. Thank you, very good. Number 3. Mother wants to buy a cup that can block some heat. What should the cup be made of and why? Okay, so what should be the materials of the cup? Okay, A. Ceramic. B. Metal.
Metal.
It should be something that blocks some heat.
ซีเมนต์
Say metal. Okay, the answer here is ceramic. Ceramic, we don't have here, but ceramic is the usual material for making a cup. Okay, metal cannot block heat, right? Okay, metal lets heat pass through it, so we cannot use metal. We should use ceramic. Okay, smile is finished.
ฟินิ
Good job.
กุดจ้า
Teacher.
กุดจ้า
Good job.
Finish teacher.
Teacher, finish.
Okay, let's wait for the others. Good job.
Rồi,พูดแบบนั้นไม่ได้
Teacher finish.
นี่จ้า
Teacher finish.
Finish.
Okay, let's wait for the others.
Teacher, finish. Good job.
Okay, is everybody finished? I think everybody's finished. Let's go. Number 4.
Finish.
Okay, number 4. Bob wants to buy a basin that will not rust. Okay? Bob wants to buy a basin that will not rust. What should the basin be made of and why? Okay, so Bob should buy a basin that is made of. Very good, Popa. That is plastic because it doesn't rust. Because iron rusts, right? So it should be made of plastic. Is it easy?
Finish teacher
Good job.
Finish.
Good job.
Finish.
Finish teacher.
Finish teacher
Okay. Okay, you can just press the raise hand button. I think everybody's finished. Poom finished?
No, finish.
Okay, let's wait for Poom.
I finish, teacher.
Good job.
Very good.
Very good.
Finish.
Okay, let's go to the next part. Number 5. Kanong Pim, are you finished?
Good job.
Okay. Number 5. Lisa wants to buy a ruler that is hard, strong, and lightweight. So what should be the ruler made of and why? So what do you think should Lisa use or should Lisa buy? Lisa should buy a ruler that is made of what? A aluminum, B cotton. A aluminum, B cotton. Are you sure? It should be hard.
Sure.
Hard.
hard
Strong. A aluminum. A aluminum because cotton is not strong and it's not hard. Although it's lightweight, it is not strong and hard. So we should buy aluminum.
Finish teacher
เชนี่กีเตอร์พูดคำว่า
Aluminum.
Yes, aluminum. You know what aluminum is?
Finish teacher.
Finish, teacher.
Good job. Is everybody finished? Okay, let's wait for the others. I can still see somebody's writing. Okay.
Finish.
Take your time.
Teacher finish.
Okay.
job.
Finish, teacher.
ได้ยินเสียงเบามาก
Good job.
ได้ยินเสียงเบามากเลยนะเสียงทะเลมัน
Good job.
Finish, teacher.
Good
Okay. Good job.
Teacher, I'm not finished.
Take your time.
Take your time.
Teacher finish.
Good job.
Take your time. Take your time.
Start.
จีจี
Good job, Poopa. Good job, Buddy.
Good job. Okay, I think Rasa's. Okay, that's it.
Finish, teacher.
จะรีเสียงเบานะ
Good job.
Okay, let's go. Good job, everybody. Okay, for this time, in this time, we're going to open 110. 110.
110 finish.
Finish.
Wow, very good.
Finish.
It's very easy. Okay, you're just going to tell me the answer, okay? If you're finished already. What are
Finish,
these?
teacher.
Okay, number 1. Don't mind the writing.
Finish,
Leave it.
teacher.
Okay, quiet. If you're finished, just quiet. I'm going to ask you the following. Number 1. What is the finished product of this material? A, B, or C?
B. B.
B. Very good. The newspaper can make flowers. Okay, like this. Number 2. The tissue roll. No, that's C. Don't mind this one. This is wrong. This is C. Very good. Okay, this letter C. You can make a puppet or a toy using the tissue roll. Empty tissue roll. Number 3. What's this? What can we make? Letter A. We can make a bag. Oh boy. We can make a bag with the jeans, with the old jeans. Good job. Okay, next, let's go to number 112. Page 112. We're going to draw like this. Okay, this is like an example of recycled object. Okay, this is just an
Teacher,
example.
what is this? Teacher,
Page
what is
112. This is a puppet. A puppet, a fox.
มันใช่ฟักหรือเปล่าเนี่ย
Fox
อันนี้เหมือนฟักเลย
puppet. Okay, last year we made it face to face. We made this kind of recycled materials. But now we're going to draw it first. Okay, and we will see if we can make it at home. I will look at the lesson plan. Okay. So, but for now, you're just going to draw it first, and we're going to write the how to do it, the materials and tools, and what is it used for. Okay, now, draw it first in 112. You can see an empty rectangle, right? So you're going to draw it there. I'm going to show you. Okay, this part. Okay, you're going to draw the puppet here. Okay, and later, if we still have time, we're going to.
ให้วาด
No. Oh yeah, maybe because it's almost time. Okay, we can continue this one.
Page.
Page 112. 112. Okay, maybe you can just finish that part, and later on, and the next part will be part of your homework.
ที่ช่วยวาดเหรอ
Yes. Draw.
ที่ช่วยแรงคำว่าสิ่งอื่นได้ไหมครับ
What? Again.
He said can he draw something else?
Yes. anything that we can make using recycled materials. These
วา
are
ดอะไร
just
ก็ได้ใช่ไหมที่เชื่อวาดอะไรก็ได้ใช่ไหม
yes, but it should be made of recycled materials. Okay?
วาด3 รูปเหรอ
No, only one, only one.
โอเค
Teacher,
Yes.
one,
Hmm?
one, หนึ่งภาพใช่ไหม teacher?
And again?
1
หนึ่ง
ภาพ
ภาพใช่ไหม
Sorry, I don't understand. Nampung, what's
น้ำ
that?
มันแฟร์เหรอ
One picture,
Yes, one picture. You can just pick one of them.
หนึ่งรูป
Okay.
วาดอะไรก็ได้
Yes, yes. Any
ให้
of
เป็น
them.
หนึ่งอัน
Okay. So while you're drawing that, for your homework, please
Teacher?
finish 109 and 110.
Teacher,
Pages 109. Yes.
can we color it?
Sure.
ระบายสีได้
Okay. I sent the homework in the group in the chat box. Okay. Can I share screen the homework first because it's almost time? Okay. I will just send the picture to the group. Okay. For your homework, please finish pages 109 and 100.
บ๊ายบายพี่เจอ
Okay. If you're finished writing the homework, you may
พี่เจอ
say
โฮ
the.
มเวิร์กวิดเบส
Okay, wait a minute. It's already there. Okay. If you're finished with this, if you have written it already, just take a picture, okay, and send it to the line group. So that's it. You may say goodbye to your friends. I hope that you learned something from Teacher Lance
Goodbye.
with the topic
บาย
material and recycled material. Bye.
Teacher, if you know Goodbye, teacher. Teacher, I'm not finished.
Okay, we can continue it next time. Bye.
Bye. Good job.
Bye.
Bye.